Hi, this is Prashant. This is my app's login page. It uses backend as a back for app. So backend as a service as back for app. So here, this is my account I'm using here. There are no user and things here. Let's say here, I'll come back to the app. First, I have to register user. So there is a link, register user. Let's say I'll register my name, Prashant, and I give password as something. So it's once I given and my email ID. And I click on register. So here I added validation. So password must be at least 6 characters. There are 5 only. I add one more one. And I click register. So registration is successful. If I go back to my back app and I see here this user is created with this email IDs. So now I will log in here. I click on login. So with logins and it shows there are no persons right now. And I click on add person. Let's say I register one person name. Let's say Ramesh. Right. And some Gmail ID. So when I click save, these details are storing in person table. So when I go here, these details are stored. His name is in this one. So if I want to update his record, I can update like I will update email address and click on save. If I here save this one. So now when I refresh this person table, I can see that this updated. Like way I can add some more names to show pagination and things. Typically, I'll do some like adding some persons. So, few more like 3 more names I will say. So here, it shows some records. I can sort the name like this sorting by name, filling order, and filling order. And it's also sorting by age. Right now, 54 is age and 25 is. I can search for person as well. And if I search for this person, it shows. Give some random number, it shows. Like I'll add one more person here. Some name, age. Okay. Some email address, age. Details. And I added pagination as like show only 5 pages. So when I here you can see pagination as well. I go here, it shows second page and early. So I can filter that name as well. Searching it's like this. And I can also update this. Let's say if I have long age, so it updates. So if I go back to my app, if I see here, persons. Again, these many persons are there. Let's say I want to delete this M. So I'll just search for M here. I click on delete. So this person details are deleted now. So if I right now I can see M. If I refresh this screen, I refresh this page, and I can see persons. Here there is no M. It's deleted. So finally, when I click log out, it's log out. Now let's say if I forget my account password, let's say account is Rishon. Let me check my password. I given 16 times. I will get into this password. Right now I'm able to log in. So I forgot my password. Then I have forgot password, like reset option is there. So here I have to provide my email ID. So when I click on submit, that's reset. It sends reset. So when I open my Gmail, I got this email, that reset link. So I click this link and I update. Before it was 1. Now I give my password as A as 6 times. So password is changed. Now I go back to my app and I try to log in with that password. So I given new password as A. If I click with wrong password, it says invalid username or password. So I give my correct password now 6 times. So I click login. It logs in. So this is the feature. Like right now, if you see this, I can sort by names and I can sort by age, and I can filter the names as well. And also, when I was adding the person, if I give, let's say, I create one more person, like that. If I give age as some large number and email as wrong, when I click this, it says enter a valid age. So I give age validation up to 1 to 100. If I enter numbers, right click, that time also it says validation is there. So I will enter only age and email also. I will provide a correct email. And if I try to register with this email, it registered. But if I try to existing email, it won't register. Yeah, this is what the my project overall my project. And here you can see page nation and you can add person search. You can add person and sort by name, sort by age, and some card operations, and I love it. So this is what overall my project. Thank you.